Now we're ready to practice adding on the soroban. And while the techniques are very, very similar, there are some differences, and the differences are because of the different number of beads that you have below and above. And remember, on a soroban, the ones down below are still worth 1 of whatever place value you're in, and the one above is worth 5 of every place value we're in. But we have to think about it a little differently because of that difference in 1 bead at top versus 2, 4 beads below versus 5. So we go ahead and we set it up 471. So there's my 471. This is the same problem that we did on the abacus. And now we're going to add from right to left. So we need to add the 6. So this is fine. We say here's 5 plus 1 is 6, and that's good. And we want to add the 2. So we add the 2 tens. That's good. And then we add the 500s. So that's good. So really the technique for this one with no carrying was just fine, just the same as the abacus. We got the same result of 997. So there's no worries for that. Let's now next on the next problem, let's practice the same one that we did on the abacus with the carrying that goes along with it. So here's the second problem that we did on the abacus, and we want to see how it is different on the soroban. We start off with our 378, and we want to add 5 in the ones place. Now we don't have a second bead to bring down, so this is when you have to apply the idea of the adding 110 and taking away 5 ones. Yes, we could have counted our way through it like we did before on the abacus, but it's more efficient to do this. So instead of adding 5 ones directly, I added in 110 and I took away 5 ones. The next thing I want to do is add in 4 tens. So I add in 10 tens and I take away 6 tens. And then I want to add 100. I don't have any more beads to slide up, so I add in 100 by adding in 500 and taking away 400s. And I get the same answer of 523.